you in there. We are starting our hike. What are you doing back there? You doing good? Hi everyone. Thanks for clicking onto my channel, Simply Outdoors with Shauna. Yes, I got a cute little baby boy right behind me. Can everyone say hi to Caiden? This is Caiden. This is my great nephew, and he is out for his first hike with Aunt Shawnee. So we are going to see birdies, some chickadees, and squirrels. Yes, he's very excited. It's not even a fuss putting him in his little... I picked up this awesome backpack carrier, kid carrier, for $25. Yes, my favorite spot, the app Chickadee. Buy and sell. You can buy anything on there for amazing prices. He's going to be my outdoor adventure little guy, so I want to start him early. He'll be a year next week. He'll be a year old. So we're celebrating with getting him out hiking on the trails. This trail was one of my first trails that I came to when I wanted to start my YouTube channel. It's the first hike and place that I came and cooked up a steak fajita. I'll link it to this channel. I was so excited that a chickadee landed in my hand, so I want to try to do that for baby boy. You'll hear me refer to him as baby boy a lot, and his name is Caiden, but he's my little baby boy. For an awesome hike, got wonderful scenery. It's beautiful, and it is... Where are you? Oh, there you are. Say hi to the camera. Want to say hi? Let's get that out of your mouth. Get that suit out of your mouth so they can see your smile. Say hi. You can say hi. Say hi, everyone. Welcome to my Aunt Shawnee's YouTube channel. Now, at the beginning of this trail is where all the bird feeders are, and the squirrels, chipmunks, and the chickadees. They all migrate over there. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a hike first. Got lots of snacks packed in my little pack here. So when you come with a baby, you need to bring snacks, diapers, diaper wipes, all that stuff. But I love it. Hey bud, where do you wanna go? You wanna go this way? Let's go see where this trail goes. This is a nice off the beaten trail, buddy. Maybe we'll see some animals up this way. Hey? What do you think? The sun is shining beautiful through the trees. Oh, got the bird feeder. Yeah, they're making bird feeders out of everything. It's a little empty in there. We should have brought some bird seed, baby boy. Next time we will for sure. Okay. See him up there? It's a red jumping squirrel. Do you see him, buddy? Let's go. Want some of our treats we have. He's got something. He's chewing on something up there. You guys see him? See him, baby boy? Snow. When you go off the trail, the snow is up to my knees. But we're okay, buddy. We're tough. We tough? A lot of snow has fallen. There we go. My knees, the last few weeks. All right. We tried to see if that squirrel wanted some of our treats, but he had something else he was munching on. So, yeah, we're just just gonna go a little bit on this trail. All right, so this trail, the wooded area is not green. I'll show you. We're gonna turn around and go the other direction where the sun was, and it had some beautiful greenery, more green trees and spruce and pines. So we will go back a little bit and hike on that trail that we first started on. There we go. We're back on the main trail where the sun is shining. Nice colors. I like when I hike. I like to see all the colors and the sun. Oh, there's some good dry birch bark. Every time I see good dry birch bark, I like to grab it. Oh, nice and snappy. That's some snappy birch bark. That will be for my next trip out. Wish I would have brought a bag, but I'll find a spot for it. We'll make it fit. Yahoo! My next trip out. What a day. So this trail, they don't allow the dogs on certain trails, and this one's because it's a nature trail for animals, the wild animals, so that's all right. I have lots of other trails that I take the dogs on. Oh, this way looks beautiful with the sun. How you doing, buddy? Let's go check the little fort out that someone made. Off the beaten path here. Some people have made a little bushcraft fort. Isn't that cute, buddy? There. That's a good job. Come in here. There's a doorway. Nice. Cute. Ah. You hear the birdies? My baby boy fell asleep as we were hiking. Oh, my sweetheart. Okay, so I was gonna go back where the chickadees were and stuff, but I want him to enjoy that. So I'll hike a little bit, and then when we get back up where the chickadees are, I'll wake him up. So we'll let him rest a little bit. He seems to be comfy there. His face isn't in the wind or the cold, so that's what we'll do. We'll just keep on hiking where my little guy sleeps, so we'll go up this way a little bit. I think he's pretty good. All right. Oh, the sun is bright. All right, you just sleep there, little one. And Shani will Yeah, he calls me, well, doesn't call me Aunt Shawnee yet, but when he is able to talk, I'd love for him to call me Aunt Shawnee. Nice ski trail here. I think I'll come here in a couple of weeks, do a cross-country ski. How you doing back there? Are you still sleeping? Oh, you sound asleep. Might be another bushcraft shelter over this way. Let's go check it out. Oh, it's a tree that's fallen over, and the roots kind of look like a shelter. Yep. That's right out of the roots. This would make a great spot for a shelter right here. You could have your fire out front. Yeah, that would be perfect. Wow, lots of mushrooms on that tree. Goes from mushrooms all the way up. So these ones down here on the bottom get dried up. I don't have my knife with me. And you cut those off and they're good to start your fire. Shave them to use for fire starter. So they start off like this and they'll get really dried up and turn to that. So many things out in the wilderness for fire starters. All right, let's head it back so we can see some birds for my baby boy. He's still a snoozing, but we got some birdies up this way, so let's set up the camera and see if we can catch it on film. So there they are, coming to eat the little feed. He's still fast asleep, but we're gonna see if we can get some birds to land. I'll wake baby boy up later and you'll see this. Hi, baby. Chickadees, they're one of my favorite birds. I love the sound they make. They're just, their little feet when they land on you, unbelievable. Comes another one. too. Beautiful. You're missing. Hi. You awake? And the birdies are coming. You want to see the birdies? You awake? He's awake. Hey, let's see. Are you awake? Hey. Look at these birdies. Watch. You gonna watch the birdies? Watch. Okay, here we go, baby boy. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Look at. Watch. Watching? Watch. Watch the birdie. Oh, look at. You see the birdies? Another one's coming in. Watch. You want him to land on your hand? Watch. Get him to land on baby boys. Ready? He's gonna come in. Stay still. Wow! Hey, did you see that? Beautiful. You see them? Wow. Unbelievable experience for... Hi. Did we have fun? That was awesome, eh? Oh, that was awesome. So baby boy is all alone, sitting over there watching the birds. He loves every minute of it. They're just flying all around him. Yeah, we're just gonna head back to the way to the car, but we're gonna stop for a little snack. Just up here is the parking lot, and that's where some more birds are, and they might be hungry, so a bunch of little bird houses and little bird feeders with bird seed. It's a little birdie heaven over here. Look at that little baby one. Got a little baby one right here. Oh, too cute. He's just a little one. Hey. What do we got? That looks like a papa. Oh, it's so big. The little redhead. Looks like a little looks like a little mohawk on the top of his head. I'll take you out and there's some birdies. We're just gonna sit here and have a little snack and then get ready to head it out. Caiden and I want to thank you for coming along with us for this little adventure, and you're gonna see more of my little guy out on some hikes with me and some nature trails. So thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers.